everyone, this is Masala. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're actually going to see the next part of me making it up. So just turned off my charging because my computer is like, oh, oh my god, I'm just hearing a lot of air noises. I shouldn't be afraid. My computer is actually heating up. So this way we're actually going to see the weight painting. So this mask is, I think this mask is already weight painted, so let's see. I'm going to select here this go to the object mode first. I'm going to select this the amateur first and go to this weight painting and go to weight painting. So weight painting is basically you paint where you don't want it to deform. So I'm going to select it. You actually see this thing is already weight painted for you. So if you guys are actually using something other than the Zepeto creator base, this is not the this is not how it looks. So it will be looking low. So you guys need to go go to ways and transfer ways, as in from bonds. So yeah, this for these tools, and um, we have some lot of brushes. So as we said, we are going to add this add brush or subtract brush, and you can actually change the weight, strength, and the radius, and yeah, pretty much that's all. So this is the blurring tool which you're actually talking about. You can actually see that's how it blurs out. So I don't actually use any of these things here, but if you guys want to, you can actually use it. I don't also recommend using it. This is a subtract tool. That's how a subtract tool works. So that's let's see the add tool. That's how the add tool works. So yeah, guys, this is the weight painting. So as I said in the last video, I have said like weight painting is like a big topic, and it also comes with the rigging, which means like you select what are the faces or what are the vertices goes with the particular design. So it's kind of like a big, too big topic. It's very hard to understand, and you guys need to. I'm not sure who does these things so good, but I recommend you guys just go and see the Blender, like the Blender official tutorial for these stuffs like the rigging works and much more. So that is the basic of how you guys like put for the all the board shapes. So yeah, after this I'm going to come to the object mode. I'm going to export it as an FBX file. So yeah, for what I said, I forgot the word. I think pretty much that's all for the Blender. So as I said, the rigging is the biggest part of the Blender, which many 3D creators actually skip it because it's very tough. And you guys actually can, if I can, I will actually provide you guys with the links of the videos where they actually tell you guys about rigging. And yeah, if you guys have any doubts, you can actually ask me in Zepeto or YouTube or Instagram. But since I'm going to college, it's really tough for me to actually check everything out because I can't actually open Zepeto in the college because Zepeto needs a lot of um, internet, and it also takes like particular amount of net to actually get open. So yeah, I probably won't come online so much time. And for Instagram, I don't actually use it for like it's really distracting. So I am not a fan of using it. So yeah, if you guys want to mail me, you can actually ask me. I will actually provide you guys with the my email. So yeah, that's all for today. Bye.